getting our tax papers together, preparing to file our returns, and there are ways, believe it or not, to reduce your tax liability for 2012, even though the year is gone. Financial advisor Kurtis Pearson is here, our good buddy, and Kurt, we can still reduce the tax liability for last year.
Yeah, our options are minimal, but the first idea, of course, is to consider making an IRA contribution. Now, you have to check out your eligibility requirements, and I recommend visiting with a full-fledged CPA to do that. But that can be a way to really reduce your taxable income by getting a tax deduction for that IRA contribution. Another idea is if you have a health savings account or a high deductible health plan, you can still make contributions to a health savings account up until April 15th, 2013, or until you file your return and get a deduction for it.
Yeah, I thought I was going to be a smart guy and bring that one up because we have done that a couple of times in our house. Is there anything good to do to prepare for 2013? I know we're just getting everything ready for 2012, but there are probably some things you can do now to make sure that you're all set and ready to go when it's time to file for 2013.
Yeah, there are significant changes. We had a CPA brief our office recently, 4 pages, fine print, front and back of changes for 2013. So it's very important. It could be that type of a tax year where people do want to use a professional, consider a CPA, just because of all the changes that are out there.
And there are more potential changes on the way. They're constantly talking about the tax.
Yeah, exactly, and refining the rules that did go into law. You know, for 2012, getting back to that idea, some people have spent money in 2012 that they didn't necessarily see as a tax deduction. A lot of times we will see with a major life change, like changing jobs, change in family status, kid in college, whatever. So make sure that some of the money that you already spent in 2012 is being fully looked at by a professional. You might have a tax deduction waiting in the weeds that you just as well claimed.
Okay, thank you, Kurt. Well, if you need a professional, somebody help you with your financial problems, you can give Kurt a call. He's at Compass Financial, the number 515-327-1020.